Hi everybody, welcome to today's video where we are going to learn how to expand double brackets. So before we start, make sure you watch these two videos so you have a good understanding of how to do this. The two videos are Algebra Basics and Expanding Brackets. I'll also link these in the description if you haven't watched them yet. So example 1, x plus 3 times x plus 2. So remember, when two brackets are next to each other like this in algebra, that just means you're multiplying. So this sum is equal to x plus 3 times x plus 2. So first we need to multiply x by the first efficient in the second bracket. So x times x, that's x squared. Then we do x times 2, that's 2x. And then we move on to the 3. We do 3 times x, which is 3x. And then we do 3 times 2, which is 6. Then we can collect the like terms. And we get x squared plus 5x plus 6, because 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. It's a lot of steps to get the unsimplified version, but if you remember with the arrows which step to do in which order, you'll be fine. So try this one out before I go through it. So in this one we have x plus 5 times x plus 8. So if we do x times x again, x squared, then we do x times the second number, x times 8, which is 8x, then 5 times x, 5x, and the last one, 5 times 8, which is 40. Collect the like terms, we can collect 8x plus 5x, which is 13x, and that gives us x squared plus 13x plus 40. So you can pause the video here and try out these questions. There's also a challenge with some negatives if you finish early. Here are the answers. Let me know how you did in the comment section below. Now let's move on to a slightly harder example. X minus 4 times x plus 9. Here you have to be careful because there's negatives. But we follow the same method. X times x is x squared, then we do x times 9, which is plus 9x, then we do negative 4 times x, and this is negative 4x. Remember your negative rules. And then we do negative 4 times 9, which is negative 36. You can collect the like terms again, so 9x minus 4x this time, and that will give you 5x. So therefore, your full answer is x squared plus 5x minus 36. Remember the negative signs, otherwise you will go horribly wrong. So try out this one by yourself before I explain it. So we do x times x, which is x squared, then x times minus 7, which is minus 7x, then we can do 6 times x, which is 6x, and then 6 times minus 7, which is minus 42, and minus 7x plus 6x is minus x, well it's minus 1x, but we can imagine the 1 is there, so we can just write minus x. So therefore we get the answer of x squared minus x minus 42. This one is slightly more difficult because you have a coefficient in front of the first x in the first bracket, 2x, but I think you can do it. Try this one out before I go through it. So we follow the same method. First we do 2x times x, which is 2x squared, then 2x times minus 3, which is minus 6x, then we can do 2 times x, which is 2x, and 2 times minus 3, which is minus 6. Again, we can collect the like terms, so minus 6x plus 2x is negative 4x, so 2x squared minus 4x minus 6. Keep the minuses in. So here are a bunch of different questions for you to try. They get harder as you go towards the red section, and have a go at all of them. The answers will be in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure you like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!